In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an SD card not working in an Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, before I start talking about why this is happening and the possible methods that you can follow to fix this issue, I want to address that, like I said, this could happen due to a variety of reasons. In this video, I can't cover every single possibility, and I want to highlight that it could be due to physical reasons. Maybe your SD card is not being properly detected because the physical connections aren't being done well, and also it could be because of software issues on your actual phone. What I would recommend first is to remove the SD card from your phone, wipe it with some alcohol, and make sure that the connection is all clean, especially on the pins. Place it back again on your phone, make sure that it is all the way into the SD card slot, and turn it on again. This should help it have better connection and ensure that your phone detects the card. What you can do is use a file manager like this one that you can download from the Play Store to see if the SD card was detected. On my phone, I currently don't have an SD card, but if you do, it is going to appear here alongside the main storage. If it still doesn't appear here, then what I would recommend is to take the SD card out once again and use an SD card reader on your computer. This is going to allow you to format the card and make sure that everything is set up properly within the SD card. Sometimes if the files are corrupted or if the SD card is not working because of software issues, formatting it through a computer will make sure that it is going to get detected by your phone. If you are using an SD card on your computer and it still doesn't appear, then unfortunately it could be due to the SD card being dead. If you have a low quality SD card, those can die out pretty early, and if it still doesn't get detected by your computer or your phone, then it is probably dead and you will need to replace the card. I hope I was able to answer any questions you had about how to fix an SD card not working in an Android phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.